All right, hello and welcome to Moodle in Robbinsdale Area Schools. We are now logged into the system. If this is your first time here, welcome. What you see around the screen is a main information area right in the middle here, and you must have clicked that to watch this video. There's a calendar over on the right side, and on the left side you see these are called blocks, these little rectangles, course categories, settings, and navigation. If this is your first time here, you probably need to add some courses, and so you do that in the course categories block. And here you can see the categories. This may be a little different when you're doing it, but at the time of this video this is what they looked like. But the example we do here will help you to understand how it works. So we're going to do an example that you're adding a course, and so we're going to add a high school health course at Armstrong High School, and so it makes sense we'd first go to the high schools category, click that, and then there are a couple choices there. Again, there may be more choices when you actually do this, but right now at the video, here's what we have. I'm going to click on Armstrong, and here are the different subject areas. Again, might be different when you do it, but we're going to go into health. And I'm going to choose this top one. It's called Health Science 5704. It's a hybrid health course taught by Mary Patraw. If I click that, right away it's asking me, and this is my first time here, so it's asking me for an enrollment key. This enrollment key comes from your teacher, and I happen to know the enrollment key here, so I'm going to go ahead and type it just so I can show you what happens. So I typed in the enrollment key, I click Enroll Me, and now I get into the course. And that's not really important to look at the course right now. Instead, I want to point you at the top of the screen. You see all these little words here. This is called the breadcrumb trail, and in Moodle, that's the way you get around. So we're in hybrid health, in the health science category at Armstrong High School. If I click here at Armstrong High School, you'll see it takes us right back to the categories at Armstrong. If I go back to the top at this breadcrumb trail, kind of like Hansel and Gretel, I could get back to the high schools and the courses and home. I'm going to go all the way back to home so I can show you something that changed. Now if you look on the left, it doesn't say course categories anymore. It now says My Courses. So the next time I want to get to my course, I don't have to enroll again. I can just click right into the course and get right in. If I do need to add another course, because another one of my teachers has a Moodle course for you, you can go and click this All Courses link, and it will show you all those categories again. So I could go back to the high schools, and I could go back to Armstrong High School, and I could add another course. I'm going to go ahead and go back home quickly here. But that really is all you need to know to get started. You know enough to be dangerous.